Hey guys, welcome to this video. I talk about the chemical kinetics, equilibrium, and the energetics. This is our new topic in chemistry. So we'll start to see the concept of chemical kinetics. What do we mean when we say chemical kinetics? First, you have to know chemical kinetics is also known as the reaction kinetics, which is the branch of the physical chemistry that is concerned with the understanding the rates of the chemical reactions. Now, what is the rate of chemical reactions? The rate of chemical reactions simply refers to the amount of reaction which occurs in a unit time. So, the amount of reaction of the chemical substances, for example, some kind of compounds that are the reactants that yield some kind of products that occur in a given certain kind of a time, is what we call the rate of chemical reaction. Now, this study of chemical kinetics, basically it includes the investigations on how the experimental conditions influence the speed of chemical reaction and the yield information about the reactions mechanisms and the transition states. So that's what happens in the chemical kinetics. It deals with the investigations or the experimentations of how these various conditions can influence the speed of the chemical reactions and the informations about the reactions mechanisms and their states. Now, the chemical reactions take place at different rates. Now, some of them are fast, whereas others are very slow. Now, let us consider the following reactions. Take an example, addition of sodium metal to water. As you can see in the reaction, uh, the reaction takes place immediately and violently. As you can see, the reaction it is very rapid, and therefore this kind of reaction is a fast reaction. But when you compare it to the lasting of iron, the presence of air and water giving the hydrated iron 3 oxide, this is an extremely slow reaction. So we can simply say that from these two, we've seen that the reactions can be fast reaction or slow reaction. Now, let's see the factors that affects the rate of chemical reactions. Now, the following are just a few of the factors that affect the rate of chemical reaction. The first one is concentration, second one is temperature, third one is the surface area, and the fourth one is the catalyst. So all these, we'll discuss them one by one. In our next videos, we'll dive deeper into each one of them. These four factors that are affecting the rate of chemical reactions. So that's all for this video of seeing the concept of chemical kinetics. We've later on discussed the how reactions can be, the meaning of rate of chemical reaction, and what basically is in this chemical kinetics. Thank you.